In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate report in Zoho Books. Let's get started right from your Zoho Books dashboard. The first place you want to go is the Reports section. You'll usually find reports in the main navigation panel. Click it to open up your complete library of financial and operational reports. This area is designed to organize everything you need for tracking performance, compliance, and day-to-day decision making. Once you're in reports, take a moment to find the specific report you want. Reports are grouped by category, so you can browse by areas like sales, purchases, banking, or accounting. If you already know the report name, use the search bar at the top to save time. For example, if you often review profitability, keep an eye out for profit and loss in the accounting or financial performance section. If you're exploring for the first time, a quick scan through the categories will help you see what's available and where it lives, which makes future reporting much faster. For today's example, select the profit and loss report. This report summarizes your income and expenses over a chosen period and shows your net profit or loss. When it loads, you'll see income at the top, expenses below, and a total at the bottom. Line items are grouped by accounts, so you can clearly see where revenue is coming from and where costs are going. The layout is designed to be readable at a glance while still providing the detail you need to understand performance. Next, adjust the date range so the report reflects the exact period you want to analyze. Look for the date controls, which typically offer presets like this month, last month, this quarter, or this year, along with a custom range option. If you pick a preset, the report updates automatically. If you choose a custom range, enter the start and end dates that match your reporting window, such as the first and last day of a month or quarter. After you apply the dates, the figures recalculate to show totals just for that period. A quick tip: align the date range with your regular reporting cadence, monthly, quarterly, or annually, so comparisons are consistent over time. That's the core workflow. Open reports, locate the report you need, view profit and loss as an example, and set the date range for the period you want to review. Once you're comfortable with this flow, you can repeat the same steps for any other report in Zoho Books, making it easy to get timely, accurate insights whenever you need them.